Online earning with ChatKJV, engaging with the King James Bible through AI-driven conversations. ChatKJV is a one-of-a-kind AI-powered chatbot that delivers scriptures from the King James Version of the Bible in an interactive and engaging manner. Through natural language processing, the chatbot responds with personalized scriptures, fostering meaningful conversations about faith and spirituality. With an intuitive user interface, ChatKJV enables both Bible enthusiasts and newcomers to have profound discussions and share scripture insights with friends and family. Pros of the ChatKJV. Number 1. Dynamic scripture delivery. ChatKJV employs AI to present scriptures in a conversational format, making the Bible more accessible and engaging. Number 2. Personalized interaction. The chatbot interprets users' sentiments and responds with appropriate scriptures, creating a personalized experience for each user. Number 3. User-friendly interface. The intuitive design ensures that even those unfamiliar with the Bible can have meaningful conversations and explore scriptures effortlessly. Number 4. Meaningful discussions. ChatKJV facilitates deeper discussions about faith and spirituality, encouraging users to share scripture insights with their loved ones. Number 5. Versatility. Suitable for individuals seeking interactive scripture engagement, fostering conversations about faith, or sharing scriptures with others. Cons of the ChatKJV. Number 1. Limited translation options. As ChatKJV focuses on the King James Version, users seeking other translations may need to explore alternative resources. Number 2. Interpretation variability. As with any AI-driven tool, interpretations of sentiments and responses may not always align perfectly with users' expectations. How to earn money with ChatKJV. Number 1. Premium subscriptions. Offer premium features or access to additional Bible study resources through subscription plans. Number 2. Personalized Bible studies. Provide personalized Bible study sessions or insights using ChatKJV to interested individuals or groups. Number 3. In-app purchases. Offer exclusive content, study guides, or audio versions of the scriptures as in-app purchases. Number 3. Faith-based merchandise. Create and sell merchandise such as inspirational apparel, accessories, or printed scriptures through the app. Donations and sponsorships. Enable users to support the app through voluntary donations or explore potential sponsorships from faith-based organizations. Disclaimer. While exploring ways to earn money with ChatKJV, prioritize maintaining the sanctity and authenticity of the scriptures and ensure that any additional content or services offered align with the app's purpose of fostering meaningful engagement with the King James Bible. Kindly subscribe my channel for more videos.